Hey everyone, my name is Annabelle and I'm an educator with New York State Parks. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a bird feeder out of recycled materials, and then we're going to discuss beginner strategies on how to identify birds. Bird feeders are beneficial to us and to the environment. This is because feeders can provide food to birds in environments where food can be scarce sometimes. This is especially early in the spring season. Feeders are a great resource for birds, especially along migration routes like here in New York City. We are an important stopover point of the Atlantic Flyway migration route. Bird feeders also allow us to learn more about bird behavior and how to identify birds. To make your own bird feeder, the first thing you'll want to do is to collect recycled materials. Today, I'm going to be using a milk carton. So the first thing I want to do is clean out my milk carton. Then, with an X-Acto knife or a scissor, cut an opening in the center at the front of the carton. If preferred, cut openings into the other sides as well. Then, cut a hole under the front opening and insert a stick, or you could use a popsicle stick to be used as a perch. Finally, decorate to your liking and fill with birdseed. You can also use an orange peel, a tissue box, or a tin can. There are many different ways to identify birds at your feeder or when you're outside. My recommendation is to first get a field guide. Binoculars are also really helpful. There are also different apps that can help you out when identifying birds. This includes Cornell's Merlin Bird app or the Audubon's app. First, I like to look at the size and the shape of the bird. This will help determine the species of your bird. Also, make sure to take note of all the colors on the bird and pay attention to the face markings as well. It's also important to note the beak shape. This can determine a lot about a bird. Make sure your ears are wide open when you're looking for birds. Chirps and unique songs are a great way to identify different species. Other factors in identifying birds include how they fly, how they move, and different behaviors. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today, and be sure to check out our social media.